June sales report and best-selling items. For the month of June, I had 285 sales across all stores. This is a 21% increase from the 235 sales I had last month. This increase came because of Father's Day. Miss Rhoadie 244, Weddings by Rhoadie 12, Homeschool Me 6, Rhoadie's Kitchen 17, Alma Africa 2, Bible Verses and Gifts 3, Earrings by Rhoadie 1. Best-selling items. My Best Grandpa Ever family photo t-shirt was my best-selling product for the month of June. In second place was my Happy Birthday Dad rustic gray wood photo greeting card. In third place was my Best Dad Ever photo t-shirt. The rest of my sales were other Father's Day gifts such as coffee mugs. Honorable mentions. I finally sold a set of these pillows. I introduced them in April 2018, which was over 3 years ago. I also sold this doormat that has also been in the market for over 3 years, since March 2018. These items were sold to the same person and were all part of a collection. Referrals. Using Pinterest, I had 22 referrals. Boys Safari First Birthday t-shirt, 16 individually purchased botanical themed table number cards, a huge order that included botanical themed wedding invitations with matching return address labels, RSVP cards, and wedding detail cards, and finally a set of baby birthday safari invitations. Takeaways. Collections are so important to selling on Zazzle. I was able to sell 2 items that had been in the marketplace for over 3 years without any sales because I had them in a collection. And my referrals that was for the wedding products were also in a collection. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, or share.